Applications of Kc or Kp. More is the value of Kp or Kc, more is the extent of reactions. Stability of reactant increases when the value of K decreases. Stability of product increases when value of K increases. Statistics of equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant depends upon temperature and way of writing the reactions. Temperature, let K1 K2 be equilibrium constant and T1 T2, then log K2 upon K1 is equal to del H0 upon 2.303 R in bracket 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. Want of equations. Way of writing the reactions for A plus B equilibrium C plus D, Kc is equal to K, then C plus D equilibrium A plus B, Kc is equal to 1 upon K, Na plus Nb equilibrium Nc plus Nd, K double dash is equal to Kn. When n is equal to 2, then K double dash C is equal to K square. N up is equal to 1 upon 3, then K double dash C is equal to K 1 upon 3. A equilibrium B, Kc is equal to K1. B equilibrium C, Kc is equal to K2. C equilibrium D, Kc is equal to K3. A equilibrium D, Kc is equal to K1 into K2 into K3. A equilibrium B, Kc is equal to K1. 2C equilibrium 2B, Kc is equal to K2. D equilibrium C, Kc is equal to K3. Then A equilibrium D, Kc is equal to K1 upon under root K2 K3. Predicting the directions of reactions. Reactions coefficient Q is expressed in the same way as for equilibrium constant, except that the concentrations may not necessarily be at equilibrium. In general, for the reversible reactions A plus B equilibrium C plus D, Q is equal to C to power C D to power D upon A to power A B to power B. Q is equal to PC to power C PD to power D upon PA to power A PB to power B in term of the pressure. If Q is equal to K equilibrium, then the system in equilibrium. If Q is greater than K equilibrium, then system proceed in the backward direction to attain the equilibrium. If Q is smaller than K equilibrium, then the system proceed in the forward direction to attain the equilibrium. Degree of dissociations. Alpha is equal to number of moles of the reactant dissociated upon number of moles of reactant present initially. Degree of the dissociations from the vapor pressure. N1A equilibrium N2B plus N3C. Alpha is equal to N1 upon del N in bracket dt minus do upon do. Del N is equal to in bracket N2 plus N3 minus N1. dt is equal to theoretical vapor density is equal to molecular weight upon 2. Do is equal to observed vapor density.